Oops! We ordered way too much of our Dermafixx Thermogenic Stretchmark Contouring Cream, and we have to let it go at a huge discount to you. If you're dealing with stretch marks, scars, eczema, or psoriasis, this bottle full of gotu kola, amino acids, caffeine, hyaluronic acid, fatty acids, and antioxidants will help to improve your circulation, soothe irritations, and promote collagen growth in the skin. And with daily use, our Dermafixx can help you to create a healthy, smooth body contour with its thermogenic and fat-burning patented ingredients, Light Out and Intense Slim. You can use this as your everyday moisturizer, or you can also apply it as a body wrap 1 to 5 times per week to help improve your skin's firmness. Head on over to our site to learn about the studies that have been done with these key ingredients. Then you can purchase your first 16-ounce bottle for $65, and we'll add a free one to your cart. No hidden charges, no fine print, no subscriptions. This is only available for a short time, so grab yours now before we run out of stock.